to my mom that I couldn't create content from the channel because of school, that it was stressful, it was time taking and all, all that kind of complaints, but she said that why don't I just create content in school, and I tried. So day one and probably the only day of trying this. So yeah, let's see how it goes. The problem with creating content in school is that I am not comfortable recording in school, because some people, you're just going to see you recording, holding the camera up to your face and talking to the camera, and it's going to be like, what is this guy doing? And it's sort of embarrassing. So I'm not comfortable recording in class, so I have to find a place where I'm comfortable, quiet, where no one will disturb me, so that I can record. Well, that was one of the list of the things I had to do that day. I had to go for the Friday assembly, which is the leadership class, then have classes, then do some things during the break time, and then find a place to record comfortably. The leadership class is a class that trains up, well, as it says, leadership class, leaders and all. It's one of this 21st century skill stuff. I'm sure you must have seen something like this, that good grades don't prepare you for the real world, that there are some skills you have to learn: communication skills, negotiation skills, and some whole lot of other things. And they mostly use some of John C. Maxwell's books and Dr. Miles Monroe's book, and all things, they just talk about things to prepare you for the real world. The leadership classroom describes the leadership class as the leadership class is a class designed to develop leaders that will fill the leadership gap that we are currently facing in Nigeria and in Africa at large. We are committed to raising a takeover generation of leaders, in quote, with character, integrity, creativity, and skillfulness in the sphere of influence. So that explains it better.
Then we time, right? Yes, Juma.
I just to take a shot of the whole leadership class while it was going on, but not everybody wanted to show your face in the camera, and they're like, why are you taking pictures, why are you recording and all. So I just had to try and do something. I really wanted to feature this because it's one of the things that makes the school special. The leadership class, we have discipleship class too, and gender assembly and all. It's one of the things that I find that makes the school special. After the leadership class ended, we had classes and the break came, and we were able to have lunch and complete all the other assignments that I hadn't done, and then I could focus on the mission of finding a comfortable place to record. The first place I would have gone to would have been the toilet, because almost everyone sings in the shower, because of there's this magical stuff that happens in the shower or in the toilet, that whenever you sing, your voice changes. This camera has a lot of problems, some of which include sort of like windy noise in the background sound or something like that, and the audio won't be clear when you're recording. So the toilet will seem to be the perfect place to record because of that magical something. But if someone walks close to the toilet and is like hearing me talking in the toilet with the door closed, and I'll be like, okay, someone is talking to himself in the toilet, and they'll slowly back away, and so I'll still feel embarrassed and uncomfortable. So I had to find another place. The next place on my list was the library. The library seemed to be next suitable place because it was quiet. There isn't that much noise. The problem of windy noise in the audio would not be there because it's quiet. I don't know why, but there's a place at the back of the library. It's sort of covered by the bookshelves. Students and teachers go there to read books and complete their work. I thought that would be the perfect place, but a teacher was there. He was tired and he needed to catch some sleep, and I didn't want to disturb him, and I wouldn't feel comfortable recording there, so I had to find another place. To find the next comfortable place to record, I went outside. Outside, where there's wind, and knowing that this camera has windy noise problems, I went outside. Okay, guys, seems like it wasn't recording nothing, so it's Imraanaiyeola here. Up here in the seems to be the only suitable place I can record. I mean, the library was occupied, and then the toilet, it's not the most suitable place for recording. This place, yeah, people are playing sports now. Down there, you can see them there. Try and zoom in. See them here, they're playing their sports, and people are also there playing their own sports. Only one person now, but the playground, and there are some classes here. You can hear them in the background, but the noise isn't as much as it used to be. But I don't know if you can still hear that wind noise in the background there, but it's better. The thing about recording outside was that there was more light, so that's a plus for it, and though it wasn't as windy as I thought, the audio was actually a bit better than what I am used to having my previous videos. Please don't go watch them. It was better than those videos, and I was comfortable with it, and I thought, yeah, it's okay. But then it dawned upon me that I had no idea what I was going to talk about for that specific video. Up alone, I think I can talk about what I want to talk about, and I don't know what it is. I think it's relating to first week of school, and I thought, okay, let's see. The first week of school. How was my first week of school? First week of school was sort of stressful for me. I tried to ask a lot of people how their first week of school was, but whenever anyone sees the camera, like, start being shy and they won't talk. So, well, off the camera, it was almost the same. Like, but they said almost the same thing. Like, well, stressful. School stressful. I don't know. Here's something just to chip in. I usually watch this guy's video, Prince EA's video. There's this one about before you go back to school. Watch this. Ever since he released that video, before every time I watch that video, and it sort of motivates me about going to school, even though I still like school and there's still a bit of something like school isn't good. I watch it. I'll try and leave a card up here or the link in the description below so that you guys can see. Alright, yeah, so I think that's all. So creating content in school, I don't think I will, because I'm not comfortable in front of the camera, talk less of being comfortable in front of the camera in school. And so maybe if I get better gear and I'm comfortable with recording, then we'll consider recording in school. Thanks for watching, guys. I think you guys know the usual. Like if you like the video, dislike if you dislike. It's your honest reaction, it's feedback. Yeah, remember to subscribe, and until next time, be a better you. Bye.